What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing my Harley Davidson Cardo 2X on my Harley Davidson helmet. So let's get started. And here is my helmet. It's a gloss black and it's beautiful Harley Davidson. I got myself a module. So first of all, we're going to open this right here so we can have plenty of room to get into the inside of it where this is going to be going in. And let's get started with the package first. Let's pull out the Cardo. Oh wow, check it out guys. Comes in this pretty little case right here. Wow, that's very pretty. Look at that, Harley Davidson. Alright guys, so we are going to pull this out. This piece right here, we're going to leave it right there for now. Because first of all, we're going to start with the speakers. We want to install the speakers first. So it comes with the speakers, and I'm going to be using this microphone because like I said, it's a module. So. And we are going to be installing it with this clip. So yeah. Alright. This is a preference guys. You guys can put it on the left or the right side, but I like it on the left side. So I'm going to put it like right about right here. Let's see if it's perfect fit. Let's see, you kind of just lift this a little bit and you make some room for it. And you wiggle it in like that guys. Step one, figure out where you want your main Cardo, where it's going to be. And then on this helmet right here, we are going to be, seems like it's got the pads on the inside. We're going to be unclipping this part right here. See? On both sides. Okay, there's one right here, yep. And there we go. Alright, and then we want to remove the headliner. You want to stick hey, you unbutton these two buttons right here for the headliner. Which will go attached to this back piece right here. So then you raise your headliner. And the reason why you want to do that is so you can stick all your wiring on the bottom of it. So then we, again, this wire is going to go in through here, possibly. And we are going to get our speakers. Here's our speakers, guys. So we got the speakers, guys. And this package also comes with some stickies, so you can stick it to your helmet. The thinner one, I'm guessing. They have two of them, but I'm going to use this thinner ones, guys. They have this thicker one and the thinner one, but I'm going to use the thinner one because you don't want too much pressure on your ears, you know. And they have a little alcohol wipe too that I'm going to wipe because you never know. Just to be safe, you know. And this right here comes with, I don't know if you guys can see them or not, but it comes with two little speaker holes right here. It's kind of hard to see. And one on this side, we're gonna wipe it too. You guys can see right there. It's got these little speaker holes. Alright guys. It's got like a little connection right here. It looks like that's where you stick the wire at. So whenever you put the speakers, make sure you watch for that. That way you can run it through the hole where it's meant to be. And you're not trying to run it through something else. We're gonna give it a test run first before we stick them guys. Because once we put the stickies, there's no moving them. Or wait, there is. Never mind. I'm still gonna test it. I think it goes through the back. Sticky number 1. Alright. Here it is. Alright guys, we got our stickies connected. And I'm guessing this wire right here is gonna go through here. It's got a little line right here. And this one is for the microphone speaker. Not too sure about that. Okay guys, so there's two different wire sizes right here. And you want to put the one with the shorter one where your card is going to be coming from the side. And then the other one's going to be long enough to wrap around to the other side. So we install it. Alrighty. Guessing that's gonna go somewhere. Alright guys, so I got my mic installed, my speakers installed, and I got all my wire ran through the bottom of the head thingamajigger. And see right there? It's all nice and tucked in. And then the last thing you do is just make sure you button these clips. And make sure you hear them do a click noise. And then that way you know that everything is nice and secure. There it is. And you guys, I've had a lot of helmets, and to be honest with you, Harley Davidson helmets killed it on installing the Cardo. Everything on the inside was perfect. It had every little compartment so you can stick the wires to it and everything. And it so far has been the easiest one to install. And what do you guys think? Here is my Harley Davidson Cardo on my Harley Davidson helmet. And now I am ready to ride my Harley Davidson. And if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.